Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Kim, aka Sunkissed Curls, here on YouTube and Instagram. If you're not already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below and make sure you turn on the bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. So for today's video, I am going to be doing a wash and go using the Wetline Xtreme Gel, which I am very late to this bandwagon. I've never actually tried this besides on a the slick back look. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this and mix it with my leave-in from my favorite hair brand, TGIN, and we're gonna see how these two work together. So I am starting on freshly washed, deep conditioned hair. My hair is pretty damp right now, so I do have my spray bottle. I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and use this to make sure my hair is soaking wet when I apply the product. I'm gonna go ahead and section my hair down the middle like I always do, and I don't have my clips. So I have my clips just to help me to put my hair out of the way. So I'm gonna go ahead and section my hair off and start on one section. Okay, so I just finished applying my leave-in. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Wetline Xtreme Gel, and this is the blue one. Yeah, that's what it looks like. I don't know how much I should be using, so I'm just gonna start off with this much and apply it. I've just never really been like a gel girl. I just feel like it always dries out my hair. I mean, it looks like it's gonna leave it defined, but I just don't want it to be like super dry at the end, so I'm hoping that's not what's gonna happen. I hope this doesn't end up, it's gonna end up flaking. Alright, so my hair is dry. There's like a few pieces, like right here, my roots are still freaking wet, and I feel like I've been drying my hair for forever, so whatever. I have a headache now. My hair is pretty crunchy, but also pretty soft at the same time, which is really weird. I thought it would be like mainly crunchy and feel like a little dry at the ends, but no. I'm gonna go grab some oil and kind of like get rid of the cast and then fluff it out a little bit, and then I'll be back. All right guys, so this is what my hair is looking like after using the TGIN leave-in and the freaking Wetline Xtreme Gel. I am honestly surprised that my hair is not hard right now because I used the gel, and it's actually really soft, which is so weird. Like, I wasn't expecting it to be like this, and I was expecting flakes because of how it was when I was applying the product and mixing the two together. I didn't know how they were gonna, you know, turn out, but it came out really good, and I'm shocked. So, you guys made it this far. I'm going to clue you guys in. I am doing a giveaway, and I'm going to be doing a bunch of giveaways, so make sure you're following me here on YouTube and make sure you're subscribed And make sure you're following me on Instagram at _SUNKISSEDCURLS, because I do plan on doing like 3 or 4 giveaways this month. Last month I worked with Uncle Funky's daughters. I don't know if you guys saw that, and I did like 5 giveaways with them, which was really cool. And I did like one on my own as well last month. So, one second. So I was sent this by Diva Curl, and this is the Diva Curl shirt, the Super Curly Love. And they sent me their Super Stretch Gel, their No Poo Decadence, which is, I'm out of breath, sorry. Their No Poo Decadence, and their shampoo and their conditioner, which is the 2 that I just uploaded, and I love these 2 together. Like, it has amazing slip to detangle, and I believe these 2 are full size. And then they have their leave-in. I haven't tried this one, and I haven't tried these 2. But the leave-in probably is going to be good. So yeah, I do have 2 of these, so I will be doing a giveaway. So make sure you have your notifications turned on, and make sure you're following me on Instagram so you guys can enter the giveaway for a chance to win. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.